Today I'm going to explain you the core behavioral differences between development mode and production mode that we set it in Databricks jobs and pipelines. What is the development mode and what is the production mode? So according to three categories, I will explain the differences. One is the basic is the resource naming. In the resource naming, in the development mode, if you are in, it automatically prefixes all the resource name with the development username. That is to avoid clashing with team members. Whereas in the production mode, it uses the exact resource names as defined in your resource or configuration files. But coming to the second point, asset modification. In the asset modification, it allows interactive editing and testing of the deployed resources directly from the user interface or UI. So that means when you are in development mode, you can able to test it interactively and you can able to correct the code and you can able to edit the code. But whereas in production mode, it will not allow edit the code and it will not allow test the code. Only you need to do it through the deployment process. So that means you need to stage the code and you need to do the code corrections and you need to do the testing. So then you need to push the code to the GitHub or GitLab, then to the actual cloud environment. So whereas in the DLT pipeline flow, if you see that usually continuous behavior we will use for on streaming workloads. But if you are in development mode, it will not allow continuous mode. Means it only allows run once. That means once job is completed or executed and it releases resources to save the cost. Whereas in the production mode, continuous mode will be enabled. It always be active, non-stop and low latency, so that your workloads will be pulled continuously. And one more, I can say that when you are in development mode, there won't be any retry mechanism active. Why? Because in the development mode, once job is failed, that's it. It will not retry again. But the retry mechanism will be active only in the production mode. So these points I collected from my previous interviews and then I'm giving for your reference and for your next interview.